I'm standing here in the main bedroom and I've got to say the view from this space is spectacular. Now this room previously had blinds only, and we knew the first thing we needed to do when styling this space was to install these beautiful white linen curtains. They just set the tone for the room, they just soften everything. We also had to work with this absolutely beautiful pre-existing bed. This 4-posted bed was in the room and we knew we wanted to keep it because it fits with the style of the place so well. But this one was actually placed right in the middle of the room. The main reason we chose to move this bed and put it up against the wall was to open the room up and create another zone in the room. So we've now got a sitting area as well as a sleeping space. So once we've got the bed up against the wall there, in order to style this space here, we needed to bring in some warmth because we have the white walls, the white floors, the white beautiful curtains. So this is why we've brought in some creams. So we have a beautiful cream boucle couch. This adds a bit of texture as well. The cream rug here, and this beautiful travertine look coffee table. So it brings in a few greys and brown tones. What we've done with this beautiful piece is actually tied in with the 2 bedside tables. So that kind of draws us over to the bed area. You can see one of them has got a kind of curved shape down the side, very simple. And then on the other side of the bed, we've got the same product in a different shape. So with the bed linen, we knew we wanted to go with white as the base. It just seemed to suit the space best. It's got a very light, bright and airy feel. Now we wanted to inject some colour here, and so we've just gone with a bed sheet. This is a beautiful bed sheet from the same Adairs range as the linen here. So we then complemented that with some pillowcases that match, and these beautiful styled ones as well. With our pillow placement, what we like to do to ensure you can really see the different heights here, and also you can get away with that kind of European pillow look without the cost of them, is with your back pillow hard up against the bed head. With the next one, we need it tilted back, then you can see the height difference. Because if you can imagine, if you just put these guys straight up like that, you're not really going to see that guy at the back. Now the view in this room is such a feature, we decided to keep it really simple when styling either side of the bed here. So we've got a really simple rattan pendant light here, which brings warmth into the space. And then if I come around to the other side of the bedside, we've styled this side with a beautiful Akoya candle, which always adds beautiful ambience to the room, and certainly a smell, a signature smell in a bedroom is really important. So really, we styled this bedroom to maximise the view and also to create 2 separate zones. And the biggest way that we did that was by moving the bed back up against the wall and putting this beautiful seating area in that you can relax in.